Hello. How to use Sophos Firewall as a VPN server. In this case, using an L2TP VPN server. Follow these steps. Authentication. Create a new group. Group name. L2TP. VPN. Group. Surfing quota. Unlimited internet access. Access time. Allowed all the time. Complete creating a new group. Next, create a new user. And add that user to the newly created group. Username. L2TP user. Name. L2TP user. Password. Ensure the password is complex enough as required by the device. Confirm password. Email. Test. Gmail. Group. L2TP VPN group. Save. Complete creating a new account. I will use this account to access remotely via the virtual private network. Next, configure the virtual private network. Remote access VPN. L2TP. L2TP global settings. Enable L2TP. Assign IP. Enter the IP address range to assign to the client. Enter an IP address range within a subnet of the local network. From 150 to 160. Primary DNS server. 8. Secondary DNS server. 1. Apply. OK. Add member. L2TP global settings. Add member. Add group. L2TP VPN group. Add. OK. Close. Check. Show members. L2TP VPN group. Apply. OK. Add L2TP server. Add. Name. L2TP. VPN. Home. L2TP VPN home. L2TP. Preshared key. You use this key to set up on the client. Confirm. Remote subnet. Add new item. Any. Save. L2TP VPN home. Active. OK. Active. Complete. Open command window. Console. Enter. Password. Enter firewall login password. For device console. 4. Console. System. Root. Precedence. Show. System. Root. Precedence. Set VPN. Static. SD1 policy root. System root precedence show. Change priority order. Next, allow the client to establish a virtual private network connection. Rules and policies. Add firewall rule. New firewall rule. Rule name. L2TP. VPN. To LAN. L2TP VPN to LAN. Action accept. Rule position top. Source. Source zones. Add new item. VPN. Destination zones. Add new item. LAN. Save. L2TP VPN to LAN. Administration. Device access. ISAC. VPN. Enable ping. Enable DNS. Apply. Network WAN. IP address. Check results. On Windows, set up the client. Settings. Network and Internet. VPN. Add VPN. Name. L2TP. IP address. External IP address of the firewall. VPN type. Pre-shared key. Save. Connect. Enter the newly created account on the firewall. L2TP user. Password. The above are the steps to set up an L2TP virtual private network server on the Sophos Firewall. Connected. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.